Fosa, it's Freeme TV, ZoneOut session. Let's go. I feel the gra deep inside my bones. What tomorrow holds, nobody knows. It's a bless up when I'm in my G. I really thank God for our enemies. I feel the gra deep inside my bones. What tomorrow holds, nobody knows. It's a bless up when I'm in my G. I really thank God for our enemies. Nothing you cannot tell me. Blessings so upon blessings, lessons so upon lessons. No lose, God, you not feeling. Truth be told, no truth or dare, but don't you ever dare. Negative energy, nah bro, we don't have it here. We just making music for the ones who care to hear. The blow is just along the way, now why we know they fear. People don't they talk about us out there on the streets. Wizard don't they walk out up and down getting his cheese. And we just trying to achieve all these dreams by any means. And big shout out to Rookie, she still want to start the feel the gra deep inside my bones. What tomorrow holds, nobody knows. It's a bless up when I'm in my G. I really thank God for our enemies. I feel the gra deep inside my bones. What tomorrow holds, nobody knows. It's a bless up when I'm in my G. I really thank God for our enemies. Yeah. If you dey also bless up, if you dey also bless up, my G. A brother man be the next up, a brother man be the next up, my G. If you dey also bless up, if you dey also bless up, my G. A brother man be the next up, a brother man be the next up, my G.